Awesome! We're all set up. Let's look at our colors. We have pink translucent, green translucent, yellow translucent, pink, blue, purple translucent, red translucent, orange translucent, yellow, black translucent, white, green, orange, red, black, and blue translucent. Wow! That's a lot of colors. All right, now we get to pick our image. I think I want to make the cherries. I finished the cherry. I think I want to make one more. Should I make the turtle?
Yes!
Let's do it. Look, my turtle's done. I made a turtle and I made a snack for the turtle. Awesome.
Yay!
The next step is to spray it with water. Now we put this on so it can press down firmly. Now we're wiping up all the excess water. Look, he's all done. Isn't he so cute?